Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this program. The question is how many times cppbus.com is printed here. So the output of this program is it will not print any number of times this message. I will explain why it will not print. Uh, and before explaining, let's compile this program on Linux operating system using GCC compiler. We will make use of VI editor. So first let me copy this code from here. I can just copy it here, copy from here, and then what I will do is I'm connected to my Linux machine using this SSH client. This is Mobile Extreme. You can also make use of PuTTY, and for Linux I have created my virtual machine. So let's create a directory here, Monday. First let me clear the screen. After that I will create a file, .c file, so that I can paste my program, and I will use VI editor. This is a syntax. After that I need to press enter. So VI editor has created a blank file here. So if I want to start editing it, I have to press I. I will basically we press I because we want to, you know, change the mode to insert mode, and after that I can do mouse right click so that I can paste the program. After pasting the program, we have to include the header file. Which header file we have to include here? stdio.h. stdio.h we are including because we are using printf function. If we do not use, then we'll get compilation error. So let me save this file and try to compile it and then run. So for that I will press escape. As soon as you press escape, that insert message will go away, and then from the keyboard you have to press shift colon WQ and then enter. Now this file is ready. How can we can also verify the content of it by using cat command. Cat then main.c. You can see whatever file content is, I can see on the screen. Let's compile this program using GCC compiler. The syntax is GCC then file name. If I press enter, compiler will generate a binary file with name a.out. That is a default file, default binary produced by GCC. But if I want to specify the binary name, then I have to make use of -o flag and then specify some name. It can be any name. The binary name can be any name, any extension, but usually on Linux we prefer something .out. Okay. After that I will press enter. I don't see any warning, no error here. To make sure binary is generated or not, I'll just do dir, and you see here main.file is there. So looks like this file is here, and I will run this file. You see here it is not printing anything. So as I said, the program will run but it will not print anything. I'll go back to the file. I will explain you why it is not printing, and before that let me enable the line number. So if you see here, line number 5, we are initializing a variable with 0, a is 0. So at line number 6, this expression will evaluate to 0. So while 0 means condition false, 0 means condition false, this while loop will not run anytime. So since the printf is part of it, it will not be executed. Or if I want to make it simpler, you might be wondering that why I'm not using the curly braces here. So if we have only one statement after any loop, in that case we don't need to include the braces, opening and closing braces. So this will also behave the same way as earlier program was behaving. While loop will not execute this block, it will not print anything. So you can play around with this, and one more important thing, if I put 0 here, that is also the same thing, and try to run the same program again, the output would be same only. And because see, we don't see any output here, it's happening because we are not adding a condition which is true or which is evaluating to true. That's why. But if I put some positive value here, like this 1 or 2 something, it will run, and it will run for infinite times. So it's always better to put some condition. So for example, let me put some condition. We can say like a is not equal to 5. Keep on running this loop until a is not equal to 5, but we have to also increment the value of a like this. So this way it will run this, it will print this message on the screen 5 times. So so to make it look better, I will make use of /n, and it's better to do at the end. Let's save it and compile it one more time. It has been compiled without any warning or error. I will again run it. So you see here it is printing 5 times. So that is how you can play around with this program. I'm using GCC on Linux. You can make use of if you are on Windows, you can make use of Dev C++ or Visual Studio compiler, and if you are Mac, you can use some other compiler there as well. So this is GCC. You can also run this program using G++, but since we are just compiling C, we should use GCC compiler only. There are few differences. About those differences, I will not talk in this video, but use GCC here only. So that's all I have in this program. Thanks for watching. And if you have any doubt, you can add your comment in the comment box. And if you like the video, please do click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.